Hello and welcome back to my channel. First we need to make the streusel layer. We need some flour, sugar, and we mix these together. Next step, you should have your butter in the freezer. That's crucial. I suggest you put on a glove so the butter doesn't melt in your hand as quickly, and well, just do what I do. Okay. Here's the butter. It's completely frozen. Grate it directly into the flour mixture. Just mix it up and continue grating. Again, mix it up. Why mix it up and not grate the butter all the way? Because you don't want it to become one big lump of frozen butter. Okay, we're almost done. Rub it between your fingers. It should look like maybe breadcrumbs or something. So this is looking good. Place it in the fridge and we'll proceed to the next step. So that was the top layer. While the top layer is resting in the fridge, we'll make the cake. Let's whisk the dry ingredients first. Then we need a flour, sugar, baking powder, and some salt. We actually need a large bowl for this. In goes the flour, sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and baking powder. Whisk it and set it aside for later. For the next step, we are going to need a smaller bowl, medium bowl. Yeah, that's that. And the butter, we need to melt it. Microwave 1 minute, usually that's plenty. So let's do it. Set it aside for it to cool just slightly. Next, 1 large egg, whisk it just slightly. Add the buttermilk. Mix it well. Add the vanilla extract or vanilla sugar, whatever you have on hand. And, well, the butter, we can add it now. There we are. And set this aside as well. Now go get your strawberries, frozen strawberries. Yes, they should remain cold and frozen, so it's important not to let them thaw completely. Make sure the bowl is dry for the most part. Pat them dry if it's possible as well. Back into the bowl they go. Add some flour, just a bit, and coat them all like that. The flour absorbs the moisture, so that's good. Take your dry mixture, get a large spatula, add the strawberries, mix them, make a little opening, a well in the middle, and pour our butter and egg mixture. Mix until just combined. The strawberries are still cold, so they don't release the color too much. Now get your cake pan, grease the bottom and the sides, just lightly, not too much. Line the bottom with parchment, and in goes the cake batter. Spread it around nicely. Now sprinkle the topping. Our streusel will be a nice crispy layer. And that's it. While it's still cold, off into the oven it goes. Okay, so this took exactly 45 minutes, and now it has to cool in the pan for exactly the same time, 40 to 50 minutes. We have to wait just a bit more. Just remove the paper and place it on the plate. So, what do you think? Would you like to try it? If you have any questions, ask me in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.